Instagrammable spot in Bangkok. Little shop, local food, snack, nice coffee, everything, all the art neighborhood here. I would say that you guys will be happy enjoying the nice evening walking here. Many things, can see so many culture. All the old lifestyle, that's so cool. A lot of art, a lot of coffee, and also the good dessert. So I'm gonna take you to relax. Wow. Orders is calling. It's worth spending time here. Hi guys! Welcome back to Friends from Thailand Travel Guide. You are with me, Ern. You might have seen me for 2 videos already, like for the Isan restaurant and also the instant noodle shop. And this is the third one. Today, no CHON, but I'm sure I'm gonna bring you guys to enjoy the day together at Talad Noi area. Let's go! Alright guys, actually we can get to Talad Noi area like many way, MRT, by car or anything. But here we are at the Si Phaya Pier, which is the easy way you can start to go to Talad Noi area. Alright guys, if you see this arts with the hashtag we love Thai food and hashtag เรารักตลาดน้อย, which means this is the first step already that you're gonna get through, go to the Talad Noi. Talad Noi in Thai, it's main small market, but actually it's not the real market. It's just the long lanes that you could see the old house, all the arts, all the cultures, and all the people. I would say that this is the dream of the street photographer for real. So let's see what we're gonna do. After that art, the first thing that you're gonna see is the cream color, kind of yellow. In Thai we call Gawao shirt, and in English is like Holy Rosary shirt. It was built by the Portuguese, and it was one of the first shirts that built in Thailand. Let's see how beautiful inside. Luckily that we come in the evening, which is like the school. They just finished the school of the students, so there are so many food that they sell for the students. It's called Kulab Vitya School right here. Wow, you guys, look at this. You see this art? Oh my god, such a big thing. And you can see that it's from like the wheels, from the spoon. Very creative. I like it. One thing that you really need to be careful is motorbike, because there's a lot of motorbike. If you guys like doing vlog like me, be careful guys. Right here is the famous spot, which is like many tourists need to stop by. This is one of Thai street food. Inside is all vegetable and you just dip it with the sauce. So I'm gonna try this as well. Let's see how it tastes like. Actually, I don't know what should I order, so I just ordered the original one, the Kui Chai one, and also I ordered the one with the sticky rice and I plus with the eggs because the people around here recommended it, and it's super cheap. It's just 3 pieces, just 20 baht. Simple, easy, and cheap. Let's see. You see, here is the gui chai one that we ordered. It's blessed with eggs. Super hot. Really good. Oh my god. There's a lot of tourists right here.
Where is my drop?
Smile, everyone.
About the globe, no drop for me, about the globe.
I can see that like next to me is like the portrait photos of some of the photographer who took the photos around this area. It's really nice because you can see the culture, the way that they live their life. And also next to me on the left side there is the art right here. I think it's mixed with the Chinese and also the new trends of new generation who like, you know, art like painting right there. And also here is like a police. You know, like it's really totally different. Right there is also like something like comics, like cartoon. And here's way more like Chinese. Many things. Can see so many culture from the painting, from the arts. I love that. You can enjoy and like look at this. So happy. In this area, it's not just like tourist attraction to see the art thing, but there is also the local people who's still living here. It's like old generation and young generation mixed together, like arts and all the old lifestyle. That's so cool. There is American Tourister, shred toy. There is a toy right here. Amazing Thailand. Right now I'm at the Bright Red Rong Kuek Shrine. So this is a shiny Hakka shrine located in a large country yard on the bank of the Chao Phraya River. The Rong Kuek Shrine abuts the neighboring Marine Department building and info pier. Its name is a nod to the past when the area was home to horseshoe-making blacksmith. With exquisite carving on its roofs and weather murals on the exterior wall, the shrine is a testament to the Hakka architectural style. This is cafe and restaurant Ban Rim Nam. Actually, it's open and mostly is the foreigner. They like to come here to chill and relax in front of the river, reading books, drink some coffee. But so sad that I missed it. Why they closed today? I don't know. The 230 years old Seoul Heng Thai mansion. Here in the heart of Talad Noi, just a stone throw away from the Chao Phraya River, is an original ancient Chinese mansion that also doubled as a scuba diving center, but now is fixing. It's really nice. It's like in the Chinese series. We can come as a couple and then take a picture. Guys, I just stopped by here. It's very interesting and it's really amazing for me. Oh my god. You see? Inside there are how many? 1, 2, 3, just 3. It's really big. Hello. I think you guys maybe feel like afraid to get lost in here, but don't worry because right there is the map of all of the area of Talad Noi neighborhood. Photo Cafe, Kopi, and Thai tea. And right here is the house and the dog. Haha! Hi, what's up? And this is what? Riverview Residence, baby. This is the place that you can have a rest, like hostel, something, I guess. Oh, it's a gatehouse right here, Riverview Residence. That's nice. Maybe you don't have to find a hotel outside, just come get in and book for this guest house. Oh, my celebrity dog. And here we are, photo hostel and photo cafe. Oh my god, there is a lot of food. For example, the Italian pizza and also the French ice cream. My god. If the weather outside is too hot for you, I would recommend you to just come and get inside, because inside there is a lot of art, a lot of coffee, and also the good dessert. But me, I'm gonna go through and see something else. This is the wooden office of like many architecture that they like comes together, design and work. Looks so cool and super big. I think the Talad Noi neighborhood is really good place because I can see all the art, all the people, the way that they live. And actually it's not just like real Thai people, there's mixed with Chinese. So I would say you experience all the culture. And very great spot that you can take so many pictures, which is the picture could be like in the cool way, or sometimes it could be cute, or sometimes it could be something really beautiful. You guys can come as a couple or friend. That's a nice place that I would recommend it. So we walk quite a lot, so I'm gonna take you to relax. Wow, you heard it? Did you hear that? So here you can feed the fish right there in the river. Really nice. But you shouldn't give the food for the birds because it's dirty. Actually, for me, you guys can come alone. No need friends. No need boyfriend, girlfriend. Like, you can come solo like me. And actually, I can see the restaurant right there. And next to the pier, you can see the information, but it's in Thai. So right there, it says that you can research for the 10 ways that you could go, like, you know, interesting tourist attraction. You can scan the QR code right here. All in Thai. Should have some English information. Nice though. Be careful. Panurangsi Pier. This is the spot where we can take photos and relax, enjoy. And next to me, you might can see some old people. They chit chat. I don't know what they're talking about, but seems super fun. Oh, right here, the food for fish, 20 baht for the small bucket, and the big bucket is 100 baht. And this is the shop where you can fix your motorbike. Actually, this is a place where they gather everything. Here at the Siangkong zone, passing various auto part shops, marveling at the Scar Metro and spare part offering. This is a small neighborhood famous for its second-hand car parts. If Talad Noi is famous for one thing, then it's definitely the Siang Kong zone. And the last spot, we're gonna stop by at the restaurant. We're gonna chill, relax, and make our tummy full. Right here, this is the last spot that I'm gonna sit. This is Hong Siang Kong. It's operated as a cafe and also the casual dining venue. There is inside and also the riverfront side for seating relaxation. Hong Siang Kong, it has an ordering station, so you need to stop by there first, need to purchase, and once you get in, I would say that it's worth spending time here. Like there is a inside and outside, like the riverfront that I said. As you can see, all the nature, all the good vibes. Wow, look at my eyes. There is the riverfront area that you can chill and relax right here. Ta-da! My order is calling. Too much exciting, I guess. I think we can press stop. Okay. นี่ไงมันกด stop ได้ You can like go inside right there, have a look. Like there is so many spots. It's worth spending time here. All the wooden or the art, amazing. You shouldn't miss it. It can be the last spot that you should stop by. So this is what we order with my friends. Right there, cake and also popia. Okay, let's eat. That's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to come here, visit and experience the real life of Talad Noi area. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. See you in the next video, friends from Thailand Travel Guide.